Ush learning. Welcome, friends. Today we have a little bit of magic to share. Have you ever seen a word change its sound just by adding one little letter? Well, get ready because today we are learning about the magic E. Look at this word. Fin. Fin. Like a shark fin. But watch what happens when we add the magic E. Whoa! The magic E doesn't make a sound, but it gives E a little boost. Now it says its name. I. Fine. Like that fish is fine. Cool, right? Let's try some more. Say the first word with me. Ripe. Let's try another. Kite. Kite. One more. Dime. Awesome. You're a magic E master. So remember, the magic E may be silent, but it's full of power. It changes E to I, making the word sound completely new. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time for more magic E. Bye-bye.